Isn't it insane that in less than 5 minutes, we created all of this stuff for a digital download that you can use for a lead magnet for your restaurant marketing agency? So any type of business you are, you need leads. And so I'm going to show you how to generate a lead magnet that you can use for a restaurant marketing agency to get people into your funnel. But this could be used for any type of industry. So I'm going to say generate a list of ideas for a digital download that restaurant owners could get to learn about restaurant marketing. And I know I misspelled restaurants up there, but right now it's going to spit out a list of ideas that we can use for the restaurant, for the PDF digital download. And check it out right here. Course on email marketing, case studies, webinars, and utilizing customer data. And so I'm going to say I want to do an ebook on latest trends in restaurant marketing. And so outline a digital download for an ebook of the latest trends in restaurant marketing. So now it's going to give me an outline of that. And I didn't even have this idea of what this thing was 30 seconds ago. And now it's giving me an outline that I can use for a digital download. So, I mean, this is really, really good stuff here that it came up with. So this is now the outline of my ebook. So now I'm going to say, I could go through these one by one, and I'm just going to show you one. Flesh out number one above with more examples. Okay, so again, just less than a minute ago, I didn't have any ideas for a download, and now I've got all of these examples. And I could drill down more and more, and I could say, give me more examples. One of these right here says, give me tips right here, so you could say tips. Okay, give me some tips, and we could just flesh it out. Then let's say, create a sales page copy to entice owners to download the document, the ebook. All right. So now it's going to come up with sales copy that I could use, take into like a Go High Level or ClickFunnels, where you get the you set up sales pages, landing pages, and you can just take, copy and paste it, update it as you need, and make it your own. Now that I have the sales page, now I'm going to say write 3 promo emails for the download. The deadline to get it is January 31st. I want to give some urgency. Email number 1, announcing the download. Can't write. Announcing. Email number 2, tomorrow is the last day. And then email number 3, last call, download expires today. All right, so let's see what it gives us. I would go back and ask it to, I would refine it by asking it to be more clever or something like that, but I'm not going to do that right now. 5 email subject line examples for email number 1 above. Generate 5 Instagram captions with hashtags and emojis to promote the ebook. How cool is this? It added emojis and it knew specific hashtags to use, like restaurant marketing, digital download, things like that. It's amazing. Now I could go on, I could create a Facebook, I could create Facebook captions. I could go on. Now I'm going to say, let's say I'm going to do a blog post, create a blog post about 5 tips for working with influencers because that was one of the topics above. So I could drill down on all of these different ideas up here, all these chapters and things like that. And it's going to write a blog post for me right now. Isn't it insane that in less than 5 minutes, we created this entire lead magnet from sales page to emails to promote a digital download for your restaurant marketing agency? So you could go on and on and on with what you do. It's amazing. So then I would take all of this, copy and paste it into a Word document, Google document, and then fine tune it up and then take it into email scheduling platforms. But the hard work's done. This would have taken me hours or probably days before. Now you saw me just create it in a few minutes. Join our workshop. There's a link below. Day one is all about advanced ways to quickly and easily create content for your restaurant. We're going to dive even deeper in what to do. Day two is all about creating a social media calendar for the entire year. I'm going to break it down and give you exactly everything you need to do so you can get that put together and you don't have to worry about it. Day three, you don't want to miss this one. It is how to instantly create eye-catching graphics with ChatGPT plus Canva. All right, so you'll definitely want to see that. And then day four, we're going to build a restaurant marketing plan to get butts and seats with ChatGPT. So again, the links below.